if we want to use wizard, then we have to have metadata. Without metadata, it is just not possible to work anything with a wizard. So what actually is metadata? Metadata is a set of information about AX that we read directly from AOT that shows the AX structures. For example, we know that there are these many tables, that we know that, let's say, related to retail statement table are these. We know, okay, these are the selected tables, and we know which fields are in these tables. We know the types of the fields. We know everything about AX. We know which are the related tables, and on and on. So this is the concept of metadata, feeding our wizard information and then generating scripts according to the preset data. Now, when we are running metadata for the first time, then we have to hit this get metadata with the option of update from AX. Because what this option does is wizard will connect to AX, read AOT information, and save this information into two places. Okay, so it will save the information into the wizard, into the instance folder, setup metadata. So these are two files with information about AOT, and at the same time, this is a table. These are tables in our data warehouse, and there are two tables that keep information about metadata, one for enums and one for tables. There are a few 100,000 records in these, depending also on the number of languages that are implemented. Now, why would we use the other option, update from instance folder? Because updating from AX is needed for the first time usage, and we have to read it. It takes about 2 minutes to read the structure and write it into the instance and SQL. So if our AX doesn't change, or if the changes are not needed to be implemented in BI, then we should use this option because it's much faster. It takes only 10 seconds to read the existing files from the instance folder and to bring it into the data warehouse. Now one would say, why do I have to do it again and again? Because once I have it, I have it. Actually, that is not true, because we may, by deploying data warehouse or stage or the whole instance, we delete automatically all the content, and a part of the content are also these two tables. So actually data warehouse is empty. And not to forget to update data again and again. It's advised that each time this is done automatically, each time after deploy, the data will be automatically copied from instance folder into the data warehouse. So we don't have to worry about and wait for data to be refreshed. If you open your instance and you go to the Customize tab and you notice that these two buttons are gray, you cannot access this, then you cannot use a wizard. This is probably due to a license issue. It may be the reason that your wizard is not enabled in your license, or that expiry date of enhancement has already passed today. In both cases, please contact your partner or sales at BI4Dynamics to address the issue.